Okay guys, it's me again. And I put some color in and then I started to knead it, just squish and squash and squash. And then it turned it out like this. Let me stretch it for you to see how stretchy it is. Look at that. Look at that. Doesn't smell bad. Kind of smells a little bit, but it smells good. And I can finally play with nice, activated, perfect slime. Yeah. Look at that. Look. And if you have a carpet, let's say it's super fluffy, and if you made this slime and it falls on your carpet, it won't stick because of the activator. So that's my slime. Bye guys.